So my wife is missing. She went out yesterday and she hasn't come home. Okay, what's her height? I'm not sure. Maybe around 5'6". Okay, weight? I don't know. Not slim, not big. Colour of eyes? Sort of blue, I think. I never really noticed. What's the colour of her hair? Well, that changes all the time depending on what hairdresser she goes to. What clothes was she wearing when you last saw her? Could have been a red dress, maybe a blue one. I don't know exactly. When she left to go somewhere, did she go by car? Yeah, she did. And what is the make of that car? It's a high-performance 560 horsepower Audi in a very specific grey silver metallic paint. It has 8-speed paddle shift automatic transmission and a 6.35 litre V12 engine, generating at least 560 horsepower. It has a Z51 super performance package, larger than normal alloy wheels, GT bucket seats, satellite navigation, and unfortunately, a little thin scratch on the front left door handle. Don't worry, sir. We'll find your car. Oh, God.